G'day, this is part of a parcel that I'm splitting up into small deals. It's fossil material from Lightning Ridge, probably mostly plant material. The red is the clay that's in the little pores of the fossil pieces. Anyway, I'll zoom in. Okay, I've zoomed in, haven't moved any of the pieces, just to give you an idea of pieces there. They're about average 10 mil long, as you can see by the rule. Some are longer, 20 mil. Looks like there's honey potch mixed amongst that, and there is a few bright pieces as well, but it's being sold more sort of for the fact that it's fossils. Piece of seam snuck in there. You may get a few little gems out of it. Honey potch, pieces like that. A bit small to facet, but crystal pieces like that. A few pieces like that in there. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.